but we want you to walk away with thinking about how to view, AI readiness in a new way, right? So we're going to go through kind of three sections as I think about it, three blocks, right? How to diagnose and realize why the effectiveness of AI is so uneven. It's not a simple thing to do. Why is that? What is a potential solution? I'm using the word operating system in a very deliberate way, right? Because the way we need to think about AI is it's not a standard technology rollout. It's not like rolling out Office 365. It's much more complex than that. And it also involves, not just a technology rollout, but also getting the people ready for it. So put those two things together and think about it more as an operating model or an operating system, something that you need to systematically put into place and maintain. It's not a one and done. And then the third section is, really getting into some of the numbers and some examples of, what does a baseline business case look like? What's that, what's the way to think about the return on investment, right? We don't want this to be an abstract side of things. So hopefully out of those three things, you're going to get some value out of this session today. Now, let me tee some things up. Dave, you jump in whenever I say something wrong, okay? But it is, every leader when we meet with them is basically kind of saying the same thing, which is, look, we went out, we bought the technology, we ran the training, right? We did the pilots, and you know what? Not much has changed, right? It is funny. Three meetings I had just late last week, right? One with a financial institution, one a big retail operator, another a hospitality organization. All were saying the same thing, which is, whether they're buying Microsoft Copilot or the enterprise version of ChatGPT, or Google Gemini and stuff. It's like we're doing it the way we did before in terms of rolling out the new technologies and training people, and nothing. It's just not sticking.